Hey guys, I'm Alex. And, well, let's just say I'm not exactly killing it in the career department right now. In fact, I'm pretty much the poster child for millennial struggle. This is my life, not exactly the glamorous success story I imagined for myself. More like a cautionary tale of what happens when you graduate without a plan. Welcome to my world of perpetual job hunting and ramen dinners. Wake up late, half-heartedly apply for jobs I don't even want, and scroll endlessly through social media. Living the dream, right? It's like I'm stuck in this loop, watching everyone else move forward while I'm just here.
You know, Alex, the real treasure in this online gold rush isn't just money. It's discovering who you really are along the way. And maybe cleaning your room while you're at it. When was the last time you saw your floor, man?
Thanks, fortune cookie Jamie. Got any lucky numbers for me too? Maybe the winning lottery ticket is hiding under all this mess.
Look, I'm serious, Alex. You've got potential, man. You just need to find your thing. Have you ever thought about, I don't know, starting something online?
Online? Like what? Become a YouTuber and dance for likes?
No, I mean like a real business. There's a whole world out there beyond job applications, you know.
And then boom, this notification pops up. A local digital marketing seminar. Free pizza included. I mean, if nothing else, at least I'd get fed, right? Plus, maybe it's a sign. You know, universe nudging me and all that jazz. All right, Alex, time to adult. It's just a seminar. Free pizza. Maybe some networking. No pressure. Who knows? This could be the day everything changes. Or it could be another waste of time. Only one way to find out. So here I am, surrounded by people who seem to have their lives together. Suits, briefcases, confident smiles, and then there's me feeling like I snuck into the wrong party. But hey, at least I'm here, right? That's gotta count for something.
Welcome, future digital entrepreneurs. Who's ready to change their lives? I see a room full of potential, of dreams waiting to be realized. Today, we're not just talking about marketing. We're talking about transforming your future.
That's Sarah. And man, she had me hooked. Affiliate marketing? Never heard of it before, but suddenly it's all I can think about. It's like she's speaking directly to me, you know? Like she knows exactly where I'm at and where I want to be.
Imagine waking up to notifications of commissions you've earned while sleeping. That's the power of affiliate marketing. It's not just about selling products. It's about connecting people with solutions they need and being rewarded for it.
It sounds too good to be true. But what if it isn't? What if this is the opportunity I've been waiting for?
You see, affiliate marketing isn't just a job, it's a lifestyle. It's about freedom, creativity, and unlimited potential. Each one of you has a unique voice, a unique perspective. That's your superpower in this digital age.
I can't believe it. For the first time in forever, I'm actually excited about anything. Is this what hope feels like? The whole way home, my mind was racing. Could this be my ticket out of this rut? I mean, I've tried so many things before, but this feels different. It's like I can see a future that doesn't involve living paycheck to paycheck or being stuck in a job I hate. Pros: potential income, flexible hours, be my own boss. Cons: no guaranteed paycheck, steep learning curve, might fail spectacularly. But then again, isn't failing better than not trying at all? Come on, Alex. Think this through. So here I am at 2 a.m., still weighing the pros and cons. Am I really considering this? Am I crazy? Or is this the chance I've been waiting for? I mean, sure, it's risky, but isn't staying where I am just as risky in its own way? What would you do? Stay in the safe, miserable rut I've been in or take a leap into the unknown? It's terrifying, but maybe that's a good thing. Maybe it's time to be terrified, to feel something real again. So here goes nothing. Or everything. I'm in. I'm really doing this. All right, so remember how I asked what you'd do? Well, I did it. I jumped in head first. No life jacket, Yaton. SEO, backlinks, conversion rates. What have I gotten myself into? But you know what? As I learned more, something weird started happening. My room, my life, it all started coming together. It's like my brain was decluttering along with my space. Who knew, eh? I was changing, inside and out. New habits, new mindset. It wasn't just about business anymore. Hi, I'm Alex. New to all this. Anyone want to be accountability partners?
Hey Alex, I'm Maya. I'm new too. Let's do this.
I just wrote my first product review. It's probably terrible, but it exists.
That's awesome, Alex. I just figured out how to add affiliate links without looking spammy.
I was doing it all. SEO? Check. Ad campaigns? You bet. Content creation? Non-stop. Hey guys, welcome to my first ever live stream. Okay, so not everything went smoothly, but you know what they say. Fail fast, learn faster. Every failure was a lesson. Every setback, a setup for a comeback. I wasn't about to give up now. No way. And then it happened. My first commission. It wasn't much, but man, it felt like I'd won the lottery. I was on a roll. Late nights, early mornings, I was living on caffeine and determination. Jamie, get in here.
What? What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. Everything's right. Look.
Alex, that's incredible. We did it.
We were on top of the world, but you know what they say about pride and falls? Things were looking up. I was reinvesting, upgrading, and pushing myself harder than ever. It felt like I was finally cracking the code.
Remember, success in this field is about persistence, creativity, and always providing value to your audience.
I don't get it. I'm doing everything right. Why isn't it working anymore?
Maybe you need to...
I don't need advice right now, okay? I need results. I was spiraling. Everything I'd built felt like it was slipping away. And the worst part, I was pushing away the people who mattered most. What am I doing wrong? It was like hitting a wall at full speed. Everything I thought I knew seemed useless. I was lost, confused, and starting to wonder if I'd made a huge mistake. I was so focused on what I was losing, I couldn't see what I still had. Sometimes, rock bottom is where you find your foundation. Dear valued partner, we regret to inform you that our commission structure will be changing. Voice quivering and uncertain. Translation? My income was about to take a nosedive. And just like that, I lost my partner in crime. But wait, there's more. Hey Mom, what's up?
Alex, honey, I hate to do this, but your father and I are having some financial difficulties. We might need your help.
Oh, of course. I'll figure something out. It was like the floor had dropped out from under me. Everything I'd worked for, everything I'd built. It all felt like it was crumbling. Something caught my eye. My old goal board. God, I'd almost forgotten about it. Day 1. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm going to figure it out. Day 30. Made my first sale today. I actually whooped out loud in a coffee shop. Got some weird looks, but I don't care. I've come so far. I'm not the same person who started this journey. And that's when I had an idea. A crazy, possibly brilliant idea. What if I could help other people avoid the mistakes I made? Share what I've learned. Time to get to work. All right, guys, remember that crazy idea I had? Well, strap in because things are about to get wild. I took everything I learned, the good, the bad, and the ugly, and turned it into a course. Affiliate Marketing, Lessons from the Trenches. Remember, guys, it's not about overnight success. It's about consistent effort and learning from your mistakes. Trust me, I've made enough for all of us. Alex's course is a game changer. He doesn't just teach theory, he shows you the real deal.
I was ready to quit, but Alex's course gave me the tools and motivation to keep going.
And the best part, I was growing right alongside my students. My own affiliate business was thriving. But more importantly, I was making a real difference.
Alex, I can't thank you enough. Your course brought me back to affiliate marketing and now I'm actually succeeding.
Maya, that means the world to me. We did it together, partner. Remember that seminar where it all started? Well, guess who's speaking there now? The journey of affiliate marketing isn't just about making money. It's about discovering who you are and the value you can bring to others. I'm not saying it's all smooth sailing now. There are still challenges, still things to learn. But now, I'm ready for them. So, what's your next step going to be?